Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this January 25th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Thursday out there so far. Everybody has a great Thursday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Friday and Saturday. Also, we're going to take a look at the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar here in the middle of South Carolina. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watch and Warn Advisory map for your locating across the nation. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlooks as well. And also the GFS total snowfall accumulation as well across the lower 48. So stick around to the entire video. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos and share these videos. Alright. As you can see here, we got some snow up here in portions of southeast Canada, and also over toward New Brunswick, also in the portion of northern Maine. Some heavy snow there possible as well. Also, we have mixed precipitation, also some freezing portion of New Brunswick, also through portion of Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, over toward southeast Canada, northern New York State. Southeast also some in northern Michigan and portion of northern Minnesota. Wisconsin, excuse me. Alright, we got showers elsewhere, extending from portion of Wisconsin through portion of Iowa, through Michigan, back to New York State, down to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts. Also down into West Virginia, portion of Virginia, through Kentucky, back to Missouri, and also back to Kansas, and also into northern Arkansas and western Tennessee. Alright, we have some flash flooding and heavy rain possible over southeast Louisiana through southern Mississippi, the Florida Panhandle, and up into Alabama and portion of Georgia. Thunderstorms and showers in North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, northern Florida, down in the Gulf of Mexico, all the way back into Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas as well. We have mixed precipitation over here with some freezing rain in Kansas, mixed precipitation and snow over here in Colorado and Wyoming. Same over here in portion of New Mexico and northern Texas. We're a little bit in Arizona also. Some snow up here in portions of Idaho and also Wyoming. Also, we got some more rain showers along coastal areas of southwestern Canada through Washington, Oregon State, northwest California. Mixed precipitation in northern California, Oregon, Idaho, and also into Wyoming and up here around Vancouver, Canada. Alright. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge area weather for southeast, southwestern Canada through Montana, through Dakota, Minnesota, Kentucky, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, and back over to Nevada, Utah, California, Gulf of California, northern central Mexico, ports of Texas, Peninsula. Let's take a look at your Saturday forecast now. As you can see here, we got quiet conditions over southeast, south, and southwest Canada, extending back to Maine, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, back to portion of Michigan, and also back over toward Montana, through California, Gulf of California, northern central Mexico, through Texas, back up through the central and southern Florida, Florida Key, Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, and the Yucatan Peninsula. Mixed through Pennsylvania, back into portion of Michigan, Ohio, and Indiana. We have some rain showers elsewhere in portion of Michigan, extending all the way over to Ohio, Arkansas, Kentucky, into Virginia, through the Delaware, D.C., Maryland vicinity, and New Jersey. Thunderstorms and showers in the coastal waters, also extending into South Carolina, Georgia, through northern Florida, Gulf of Mexico, through Louisiana, Arkansas, Tennessee, Alabama. Maybe some severe thunderstorms in the yellow slashed area in portions of Alabama and Georgia. Mixed precipitation over here in portions around Vancouver, Canada, and Washington State, and also Montana, Oregon, and Idaho. Rain showers elsewhere in Washington, Oregon State, Northern California, portions of Idaho as well. All of this activity is for for your North Carolina State. But we're watching this line that's coming out of western North Carolina and northern Georgia that may push in here later on. Overnight and maybe celebrity music playing. Alright, as you can see here, we got winter weather advisories up here in portion of the Northeast, from Maine back down to New Hampshire, Vermont, also in the northern New York State. We got more over here in portion of Utah, northern portion of Arizona, northwestern New Mexico, Virginia, also southeast Ohio. Got some flood warnings, that is. Special weather statements have been posted for New York State, also in the port of Pennsylvania, Ohio, also Indiana. Hydro issues over here in portion of Washington, Oregon State. Also, we have some avalanche warning for one county there in areas of Idaho, also into Texas, Oklahoma, also into Kansas, Nebraska, North and South Dakota, over here of areas of Wisconsin, much of Wisconsin, southern Mississippi, also coastal waters of Louisiana, all the way over here to the areas of the North Carolina, same up here in portions of New Jersey as well, up around New York City, the coast of Louisiana. Alright, the Hawaiian chain islands still got the small craft advisories, also some high surf warning, high wind warning to the south. We have a winter storm wise for southeast. We're going to show you a little box. Do, do, do. Do, do. Carolinas, down into northern Florida, back to Texas. Would not, and there is down to Florida, back to Louisiana, and also Friday's forecast area. As you can see here, per the GF best computer model to the northeast United States, and some heavy precipitation also. Snowfall totals, that is. Then from Iowa all the way to snow. I think them 3 snows we got back in 2022. I mean, yeah, back in early 2022, back in January. I think that took care of the years for a few years. They're not gonna get no snow probably till maybe 2025 or 2026 here in South Carolina. So, would not be surprised to see that. So, but anyway, hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Like the video, share the video, consider subscribing, and we'll catch you.